Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Petco, beginner guide step by step clearly. Research Petco's target audience to understand their preferences and needs. Explore popular pet products and services offered by Petco. Set up an online account with Petco to access their resources. Familiarize yourself with Petco's sales cycles and promotional events. Develop a marketing plan that focuses on specific Petco products. Utilize social media platforms to showcase Petco's offerings. Create engaging content around pet care and products available at Petco. Collaborate with local pet influencers or bloggers to reach a wider audience. Implement targeted ads on social media highlighting Petco promotions. Leverage email marketing to inform potential customers about upcoming sales. Utilize SEO strategies to drive traffic to your Petco-related content. Offer exclusive discounts or deals to encourage first-time purchases. Track sales performance using analytics tools for continuous improvement. Gather customer feedback to refine your approach and offerings. Stay updated on Petco's latest products and services to keep your content relevant. Network with other pet-related businesses for cross-promotion opportunities. Regularly assess your strategies to ensure they align with customer trends and demands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.